Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna show you how I painted this easy to do rock with balloons or just hearts floating on the air. So I started by painting the rock with teal. I didn't coat this one. I just started to paint as I go. But through the process, I mixed the colors and it just was teal, but I just added blue at the bottom just a little bit. And then with an old brush, I just put some white paint on it and I just sprinkle on it, just brushing it in so it can have an effect of anything that is abstract, nothing concrete. And I actually, if you notice this white big dot at the bottom, I just left it like that. The same thing with the other white string of paint, and I let it dry. And then I started to do the hearts. They are not perfect. It doesn't have to be, the shape exactly of the heart because we're gonna highlight it with the black paint. And this design, it doesn't matter if you run out of the heart. The intention is to make it, as a figure. Is not actually realistic painting. You can put as many hearts as you want. You can make it different colors, maybe do 1 or 2, 3, whatever you want. Your imagination is the limit to your art. And my goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks or to start painting anything. I just want you to have fun and enjoy yourself. Let me remind you to subscribe to my channel if you like the content of this channel. And at the end, I just put some highlights with the white paint. This is really, really simple, easy to do paint. I hope you'll do it. And I will see you on my next video. Have a blessed day.